Halo, halo Bang.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
Halo guys, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh guys. Selamat sore semuanya. Matiin lagu dulu ya. Banyak kali gue tiket pemandu bakat bro, 55. Gelo, udah kebuka Ragnarok 2 ya guys ya. Dapat apaan tadi ya? Oh, ini bisa dapetin token ini nih guys. Kalian tonton aja ini ya. Bisa dapetin token buat gacha di sini ya guys ya. Ini dia. Oke, lumayan 50. Oh, ini baru bro, serpihan ini. Oh, bisa dapat 2, gelo. Bisa dapat Ragnarok 1 sama Ragnarok yang 2 guys. 1 sampai 150. Ini W banget sih. Owen boleh tuh, Owen tuh. Tapi sayangnya Owen ini sih minusnya itu di kaki sama di stamina. Bisa sih buat babak 1 atau 2. Harus bawa cadangan dia, tapi gue juga mau ngambil Owen ini. Tuh stamina cuma 4 doang dia guys. Ada pelari penggiring bola cepat lagi dia. Inceran gue Owen sih, murah lagi kan, cuma 650. Gue nggak lihat 1 juga belum, ini belum gue ambil, nanti aja lah. Berarti gue nggak jadi ngambil Ginola gue, karena sudah ada Owen ya kan. Gue ngambil Owen saja, kemungkinan Toure sih. Sambil nunggu main mode manager dulu ya.
good evening on what is a perfect night for football. The floodlights shining down on the players as we speak. I'm your match commentator, Derek Ray, and my partner, ready to bring you all the analysis and technical talk, is Stuart Robson. And with kick-off just moments away, we really should be in for a magnificent occasion. It's Barcelona taking on Liverpool.
Bentar ya, bentar
Both
guys.
teams know they need to start the game well here. Try to dominate the midfield area and get their creative players on the ball. This should be an interesting game, I think.
Well, it could be on for him here. And the ball is loose. Oh, chance taken. There is opportunism for you, but a disappointed goalkeeper.
Well, the initial save is a good one, as you can see, but unfortunately it drops straight to the post. A bit unlucky, really.
Well, Liverpool restart the game. A wake-up call for them, perhaps. Rijkaard. Ludovic Giuli. Chance here. And it's in. A goal for Barcelona. They
Gila,
are the team
ejek
in
banget
charge.
guys. Apalagi dia ngambil own gong.
Well, as you can see, he's a great talent. What a run, what a goal, and what a player he is.
So back underway with the lead standing at 2-0. Magnus von Eikrem on to Rowe.
Tapi saran dari gue ya guys ya, tunggu sampai kebuka semua guys.
Defensive Brazilians to shut them down.
Jadi jangan ditukerin dulu ya.
Oh, good defending to stop a decent looking attack. In with a chance. Big chance it is. And a goal! What a magnificent display in such a one-sided contest here.
Bantai-bantai kita guys.
Well, as you can see, he's a dangerous runner with the ball. He has such good balance of pace. That's a top.
Ibrahimovic ya. Sorry baru baca chat.
So continuing
Ibrahimovic
with the game, and the fact of the matter is, Barca
untuk meta
are handing
sekarang
out a very
kan
harsh
striker
lesson.
pendek ya. Oke aja sih Ibra.
Ruben Yttergård Jensen,
Cuma lebih oke striker pendek kan
Paolo Maldini,
untuk sekarang.
Park Ji-sung, Giuli, and back to Giuli. Clearance wasn't decisive. They can't quite take advantage in the end. And so it is, the first half story has been written.
Coming up half time, there'll be a display from the police dog display team sustaining defeats for the man.
Well underway once more, and the first half struggles for Liverpool were there for all to see. Can they make a better fist of it this half? Jensen. Now with Simon. Cook put it away. Offside, however.
Well, he'll certainly be pleased to see the flag go up there, because that was a poor miss.
Timothy Weah. Oh my goodness! He's caught that so well. A goal of the highest
Dia lang bantai-bantai banget guys.
fantastic technique.
Well, you won't see a better connection than this. It's a brilliant strike, hit with such power. What a great goal.
No shortage of goals in this match. 3-1. Federico Di Marco. We're into the final half hour. And a goal here! There it is! They've done it!
Gila ini berapa kosong nih guys?
Say, this is a really good goal. Just watch his technique here. He just hits through the back of the ball with such power. There's no stopping that.
4-1 bro.
Not too much defending going on in the grand scheme of things. 4-1. Jonathan Rowe. Timothy Timothy Weah. On to Rowe. Magnus Wolf Eikrem. Well, doesn't have to do it on his own. Aware of the threat, solving the problem. There's 15 minutes remaining. Might be able to get in behind the defence. Can't miss, surely. In it goes! Such a complete performance. 4 in front now.
Well, as you can see, this is a wonderful display. He makes the perfect connection. There's so much pace in it. It's a great goal.
And time for the change now. It's a massive lead, and it's very hard to imagine them losing it now. Moses Simon. Now with Rowe. Moving forward effectively. And the final whistle has sounded. The end of the game here. A win for Barcelona. They're going to be happy about that.
Performance that was. They did most things right.
Sekali lagi ya.
Defensive and had a real cutting edge. That was a really dominant display from them today.
Nggak usah deh, udah deh, gue udah kelar. Langsung saja kita push guys. Panas gila HP gue nih. Ini tinggal dikit lagi sih gue nge-push. Tiga bintang lagi bro. Ya salah nendang. Gelo salto. Wah sengit nih guys. Yes, pelanggaran sih. Gokil tiang. Apalah cok. Nice. Token ininya masih sama kan? Nah iya kan, tokennya masih sama bro. Sabar guys, turnamen dulu guys kalau ada guys. Nggak ada. Oh iya, kode redeem kemarin ya. Belum gua ambil kode redeem nih. Ini dia kode redeemnya yang kemarin. Bom dia kalau nggak salah kodenya dah. Anjay, kagak dapat apapun, satu-satu sih. 5/5 lu dia. Fabregas L ya guys ya. Kurang ya karena kakinya 3/5 bro. Oh ini masih ada. Batasnya sampai kapan ini? 21 hari. Sama dong. Gue selesaikan misi dulu dah. Ini berarti masih ada misinya ya? Oh iya masih ada misinya guys. Ini gue selalu kayak gini loh, nge-lag kayak gini loh. Gimana ya ini guys. Ngebug ini nggak jalan. Nggak jalan. Nah itu loh. Starpass Barcola. Hadiah udah gua ambil kan hadiah.
So away they go again, and work to do for Barcelona in this second half. Etienne. This could square the game, and it's 2 for him today. A masterful performance. Defenders unable to stop him.
Johnson.
A Spurs free kick it's going to be. Solanke. Might be on. And he's made headway. That is a really disappointing effort. Goodness me.
On that occasion, just didn't make the right sort of contact. Should be testing the goalkeeper from that sort of range.
Gelo ngoper ke gua dia, nggak jelas banget.
Can he put them in front? And you cannot argue with a hat-trick. Simply unstoppable today. And so the action continues. Will there be a response from Tottenham now? There needs to be. No degree of difficulty for the goalkeeper. Pedro Porro. Resting like that will help the cause. Can he do it? Attempting to place the ball in the back of the net, but not going according to plan. Kevin Danzo. Yves Bissouma has it. Sarr. Heung-min Son. And a Tottenham Hotspur free kick coming up. They'll be disappointed with the way that attack ended. And into the last 20 minutes. an opportunity. And the goal it is. They lead by 2 now. Fully deserved.
Nah, aku baru sadar ya, live-nya kosongan ya, nggak dia ya.
Well, as you can see, it's a dangerous running football. There's such good balance and pace. That's a top-class goal, isn't it?
Kok live-nya kagak ada ituannya, guys.
That's open. 5-3. Marco. Chance to play it in. Deflects it behind, so a corner here. So a personnel change then. Well, still an issue here. Not the best clearance. Simple save, really.
Iya juga ya, live-nya kosong ya.
Now we're inside
Ini
the
baru
final
update
10 minutes of
aplikasinya
this
sih.
one.
Buset, udah mental, Cok.
Textbook closing down.
Sorakan kandangnya sih ini banget, mana ya? Nyanyian kandang kan.
Committed challenge. And it's through here. And really should have been able to. Bissouma.
The referee has indicated there will be
Dan
a
so.
minimum of 2 minutes of added time.
Ntar ya, abis ini gue coba betulin dulu dah.
Muda. To think he only had the keeper to beat. So the final whistle has sounded, and not the result Tottenham fans were hoping for. What did you make of it all?
Too many key areas. They need to refocus now and perform better next time out.
Oke, lumayan dapet langsung nih tanpa main. Utama 2. Ini harian bukan sih? Bukan ya? Harian, bro. Berarti kita selesaikan yang ini aja ya. Bentar ya, bro. Error anjay. Ya nggak bisa di setting lagi di sininya. Ya udah, polosan berarti. Berarti polosan, guys. Mana ada logo itunya lagi, Prism Live-nya. Packnya baru, bro.
Second half is underway here.
Langsung saja long ball.
Oh, that's a fine pass. They need to get tighter. Must take the lead here. Oh, incredible save, and he snuffed out any sign of danger. And a goal here. Well, it took a tip of the
Goal for FC Barcelona. Number 10, Virgil van Dijk.
It's with Mats Hummels. It's with Dybala. And he's in.
Ini nggak bisa di skip apa ya, lama kali Wak.
Ludovic Giuli. Now with Giuli. Yaya Toure.
Iya ya tuh.
And back to Van der Sar. Federico Di Marco. Well, we have 30 minutes to go. Di Marco. And on to Zambrota.
Gue udah nggak bisa make ini lagi ya.
Federico Di Marco. Gianluca Zambrota. Now with Toure. Promising move from Barcelona. Pablo Nedved. Well ready to ease the pressure. Mancini. Opportunity it is. Oh, goodness me. Into the goalkeeper's grateful grasp. Pellegrini. No foul play, says the referee. Guadio Kone. It's with Paredes.
Well, not much time left now, and these supporters are doing everything they can to get their team over the finish line. What an atmosphere.
No problems at all for the keeper. Pablo Nedved. Yaya Toure. And Barca moving the ball with purpose. Well, it came to nothing in the end. Dovbyk. Dividing events. Kone.
The referee has indicated there will be a minimum of 1 minute of added time.
Ludovic Giuli. Well, doesn't have to do it on his own. Oh, in with a chance! And still a chance. And that very satisfying from the Barca point of view. A victory here. What did you think
Ladies
of
and
the
gentlemen, the
overall
message from the
display?
police, they've
Yes,
asked us to
there
say
wasn't
the
much in it, to be
northern
honest.
route
Really
out of
competitive
town
game.
is
The
blocked
chances at
as
both
they
ends.
move
A
to the ring
probably
road
just about
to find
edged it
the
over.
quickest route home.
Well-deserved
Thank you.
result in the end.
Minutes to go then. Oh, splendid skill. Can he put them in front? Oh, tremendous goal! Technical excellence to finish that one off. Wonderful to have that in your repertoire. And there to intervene. And back to Van der Sar. Rijkaard, Zambrotta, Julie, and he keeps going. Nedje, and the diving header! The fans are up!
Goal for FC Barcelona! Number 8.
Astonishing! Not just any old header, a touch of artistry about that. My goodness! He's in here. Can he convert? And it goes! Well, it's one goal after another.
Goal for FC Barcelona! Number 5.
Good-looking ball. Just knocked it out of there. Pavel Nedved. And he has options available. Julie. Exceptional performance this.
Goal for FC Barcelona! Number 42.
Massive lead, and it's very hard to imagine them losing it now. Koke. Molina. He's in with a chance. Altira. A goal, and with that the referee blows for full time, and a tale of real disappointment for
Ladies and
Atletico.
gentlemen, enjoy your journey.
And I think for them, your assessment of the performance.
Semi pro. Ini ternyata ada tambahan lagi ya, bro. Kalau udah 100 kita bisa klaim lagi ya. Nah, ini kalau ini kebalikannya ya. Kemarin kan dari luar kita klaim. Sekarang dari dalam ke luar ya. Oh, ini masih sama kan? Inceran gua ya untuk di sini ya. Berarti 6,5 ditambah 1.500. Gue pengen dapetin Bellingham sih. Ini Bellingham gila banget, guys. Ininya tuh beda ya, kemahirannya beda ya, tuh. Warnanya tuh beda, guys. Dibanding dengan 108 ke bawah. 108 kali ya. Nah kan 108 kan kuning ini kan. Owen lu bayangin ya, pace-nya 136 ditambah penggiring bola cepat. Halo Bang Halo 26. Terus ditambah lagi dengan ini nih, kecekatan ya kan. Level 3 ditambah 21, bro. Ditambah lagi serangan balik ya dia. Atau apa dia nih? Iya, serangan balik dia. Ada lagi kelincahan di serangan balik ya. Gelo, giring bola juga ada. Jadi berapa ini Owen ya? Bellingham pace-nya cepet banget juga. Padahal ICM loh, PS-nya 120 bro. Saka 128. Dia sama kayak Salah ya, kaki kiri. Jangan ditukar dulu ya. Bang aja. Boleh. Salah anjir. Bentar dulu guys. Gila, over 114 kah? Kalah gue guys. Mari kita lihat. Kayak banyak deh nih. Makan banyak kan. Oh yang gini ya 114 ya. Gelo ini mau udah mantep banget ini. Barella. Anjay dapat Roy Keane dia. Udah mantep ini bang. Dia udah juara FC kan. Ya kalah dia. Adalah gue nge-push dulu dah. Kentang guys, kentang. Satu menang lagi udah naik juara FC nih. Waduh, kipernya Van der Sar lagi. Akankah menang? Anjay ditabrak. Aduh, Rijat ini kakinya jelek kali, Wak. Sip, ditabrak sip. Menang ini guys. Bang kalau gue nuker si Owen W gak? Wih bagus banget sih Owen W banget. Tapi saran gue tunggu sampai week berapa, 6 ya. Nunggu sampai kebuka semua aja dulu. Jangan langsung ditukar. Mana ininya animasi guys. Nah akankah 111? Gue juga mau nukerin Owen kok ini. Cuma nanti di akhir event. Wih, walkout. Nah, Brazil. Striker Al Hilal 107 nih. 106 lumayan lah. Masih dapat yang ituan dia. Oh iya, masih dapat yang ini dia, guys. Beda deh anjay. Andre masih sama Andre. Ini yang 5 gue tukerin aja kali ya jadi token. 600 ditambah berapa tuh? 1000. Ya elah, Marcosnya yang ini lagi 30 doang, guys. Gila, langsung juara AFC kita, bro. Owen plus Bellingham berapa ya tokennya ya? Gue tinggal ganti LB doang sini. LB siapa ya LB? Oh, offset lagi. Nah, Rijat tuh kaki kanan oke lah. Kalau kaki kiri tuh nendang kenceng-kenceng malah ngelambung, coy. Aduh, kena lagi. Sepuluh 4 beda 6. Wis, sampai kapan? Harusnya sejam doang sih gue bang live. Ini udah berapa menit nih? Sejam doang gue. Gelo level 118 bro. Ya gacanya udah hilang ya. Gacha. Ibrahimovic sebenarnya lebih bagus Owen sih. Dari kapan? Dari zaman FC Mobile kalau nggak salah, pas FIFA Mobile pas di mana ya? Zaman Piala Dunia kalau nggak salah. Dari pas Pildun yang Argentina juara tuh. Owen please, Owen. Belanda LW. Aduh, si siapa namanya? Van Bommel anjay, Van Bommel 126. Enggak hoki bang, susah bang kalau hoki mah. Ini yang bagus di week 1 ini ya Bellingham sama Owen doang udah, menurut gua ya. klik paket 2/2. Owen lah, Owen. At least Owen Ibra lah. Aduh, Prancis apa tuh CB. FC Nantes. 2 lagi tuh orang itu, astaga. Udahlah. Ini token gini udah nggak bisa digunakan lagi ya. Token universal. Ini tuh bintang 20 ya, 20, 50. Udah nggak dapat pemain tapi kan. Shevchenko kurang sih menurut gua mah. Asian-nya nggak tahu udah tuh kalau Asian tuh. Giuli. Udah pakai Larson dia, guys. Bisa melawan ini orangnya. Kiper paling susah gue tembus ya. Gue udah malas kalau ketemu Van der Sar sih. Ya ketinggian. Ini lawannya nggak ada yang lebih susah apa ya, biar seru gitu. Nah ini kayak susah nih. Nah ini lawannya lumayan nih. Mana nggak ngegolin dia. Aduh, kalau pencet ya. Salah. Lima cok. Karim. Ibrahimovic, nah ini susah nih. Penasaran gue gameplay Ibra. Anjay kagak kena. Halo bang MTH 99 channel 999. Tiang loh. No review. Bentar bang. Nama FC nya Opang. Namanya pasaran sih banyak banget. Nama FC nya Opang. OVR 112. Liganya Gares FC. Oh ini di sini ya. Karadai. Turki. Udah aku add. Iya bang, nanti bang. 111 dia offernya. Dia lo Maldini. Anjay. Nah kenal gitu loh. Wah kalah kali ini. Gol. Aduh, kalah deh ini guys. Kaki kiri lu keluarin, nah gitu leh. Menang kah? Menang anjay, dia nggak gol terakhir tuh. Ya elah. Gelo 113 cok, kalah gua overnya. Ini Maldini over berapa sih? Julian Brandt. Ganti kiper sih menurut gua mah. Kiper kalau ada DG mending DG ya nggak sih? DG 107 tuh. Anjir, dia udah nukerin Ginola bro. Gelo Ginolanya 183 pes. Gue ngambil Ginola apa ngambil ini ya gue ya? Owen. Jebakan offset, ada jebakan offset sih dia. (111, 115). 120, 100. Kalah sama Mbappe Utot. Itu 187 ini kan apa? Udah Evo Oren kan dia? Apa basicnya? Basic nggak mungkin nggak sih? Tapi kan meta sekarang kan meta striker kecil kan, pendek. Kayak Eusebio, Ginola tuh. Fowler juga masuk sih. Oh iya, Evo emas 133. Owen bisa dibeli ya? Ini 136 Owen loh. Lagi banyak yang jual dia. Gelo Haaland 7M. Orang-orang pada punya duitnya ya. Pemain gua aja hitam semua bro. Vidic gue jual nih, Vidic. Vieira 64. Turun dia. Gio Keres gue jual aja kali ya. Jual aja lah. Gue make Van Persie masih enak sih. Cuma gitu harus bener-bener angle-nya tuh harus pas. Kaki kanan dia kan 4 ya, 5/4 ya, kirinya 5. Mana ini, lama banget ini. Ngebak kan, ngebak. Nah itu loh. Bola warna hijau semua guys. Mana anjir, ini nge-lag gua kah? Apa musuhnya kabur ya? Kabur musuhnya ini mah. Buset musuhnya, cok. Kabur kali dia, kalau kabur hoki banget sih gua. Nah, kabur musuhnya, hoki gua. Gila musuhnya udah full kayak gitu loh. Pemainnya ngeri-ngeri. Itu dia pakai tempo ya? Aduh kok kekencengan kok larinya. Pak Kisung nih sebenarnya kurang banget loh. Cuma gimana ya? Untung musuhnya kabur ya. Kalau nggak disconnect dia menang ini dia nih. Kaki kiri lo pakai, nah itu loh. Nah kencengan cok. Untung musuhnya kabur guys. Mana tadi ini nih line up nya dia. Gelo line up dia udah full banget ya. Oh dia pakai Shevchenko tuh. Itu siapa sih, Owen kah dia? Oh dia udah beli Owen ya tadi ya. Owen Base Al Owairan itu ya. Siapa sih itu? Oh Garinca. Full biru dia, gelo. Zambrota. Tuh kalau dia nggak disconnect menang tuh dia. Ini juga bagus kiper itu si siapa? Kipernya Juventus ya dulu. Pan. Udah. Salto. Aduh enggak masalah salto deh. Aduh, kok kena mulu, guys. Kalah kali ini. offsetnya sih. Enggak deh. Tadi kiri lu, nah itu loh. Menang bro, dia kenapa nggak gol-gol itu? Aduh, kepencet lari. Ya sudahlah, jadi dikarenakan sudah sejam, jadi kita pamit dulu ya bro. Tadi paling ganti kiper sih, kiper dulu sih. Habis kiper boleh tuh CB tuh. CM mah bisa lah, masih oke nih branded. Ini ganti nih si barudak. Ya udah, terima kasih banyak yang udah nonton sampai habis ya guys ya. Tadi ada Bang Royan, ada Bang Alo 26, dan juga ada Bang MTH 999 channel. Terima kasih banyak ya. Sampai jumpa di live selanjutnya. Mohon maaf bila ada salah kata. Bye bye. Thank you guys. Bye bye.